So hello everyone, this is my follow-up review for the QK65. Before I give you my thoughts on this keyboard after using it for around 2 to 3 weeks, I would like to thank the sponsors of this video, Zion Studios PH, for sending us the switches that I am using right now, the Moyu Green Snake switches. Really good switches. I love how they sound, I love how they feel. I did a review of those, check it out in my channel. Zion Studios also sent me their lubes for testing. They have lubes for almost everything that you need. They have for the stabilizers, for the switches, and for springs. These are the counterparts of your XHTBDZ 205 grade 0 and your 105 for the springs. And I have to tell you, I have been using the lubes for around 3 months right now, and I am really happy. This one is proprietary formulation by Zion Studios, and to tell you honestly, it's really good. I can't tell the difference between the Qwertykey and the lubes that I'm using for the past 3 months. I will give out a full review on the lubes soon in this channel. Also in the QK65 right now are the set of Stabies stabilizers. Are they good or is it just hype? They're good. They're really good. But to tell you honestly, I also think that other stabilizers that I've used are really good. The advantage of the Stabies is that it really takes minimal effort to tune them. With minimal effort, you're good to go. And for people like me, that means a lot. I'm willing to spend the little extra, around 200-300 pesos extra, if I get stabilizers as good as these. So they're really good. Alright. I would also like to thank Easy Home PH for sending over the Minimat. Really fun to use the Minimat, especially if you want to showcase your desk, if you're not fan of those big desk mats. So you have an option right now. Really good. And of course, Cable Mod for sending over this straight custom cable. They have their configurator and they have a huge discount going on right now. I'll put the link in the video how to get that discount if you are from the Philippines. Alright, so QK65 after 2 to 3 weeks of usage, I've already posted my full review where I compared it with the Mr. Suit. And that's how good this keyboard is. I'm comparing it with the Mr. Suit. I just had to give another sound test and a follow-up review because I'm really enjoying this keyboard. I don't know why a lot of people are selling their unit. Various reasons for that, but I think this keyboard is really an endgame material keyboard. It's very flexible. I like the typing feel. I like the sound. I like everything about it. And then comes in the price. For that price, for 2022, I don't think you can get a better keyboard. That's just how good this keyboard is. So, if you're on the fence whether to get that QK65 that you see on the marketplace because it's selling for around 1,000, 2,000 higher than the group buy price, I'd say go for it. Even if it were selling 5,000 pesos higher, it's really that good. Alright? So, thank you guys for supporting this channel. That's my quick follow-up review. What's in store? I'm working on my KTT switches review. So, do wait for that. It will be coming out really soon. And also I have a Tiger 80 coming up. Very excited for the Tiger 80 and the Keychron V1, one of the most anticipated budget keyboards from Keychron this year. So thank you. If you haven't liked and subscribed in the channel, please do. Thank you for supporting this channel. This is Tokidoki. I'll see you in the next video.